Still on education, the conduct of 4 female students of the Quarrie High School in St. Andrew continues to be in the spotlight. They featured in a viral video berating education and using expletives. The school has taken action, but the matter has renewed calls for better behavior in schools. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
Not fit for airplay. Some of this video being circulated on social media with 4 students from the Quarrie High School in St. Andrew. In the 27 seconds video laced with expletives, the girls appear to be promoting an event.
They don't know what I mean, them dead and the presenters. School barbecue call. Station. They don't know say if you come up, popping the head to the telescope and looking at them, eh?
Since the video made rounds on social media, there have been mixed reactions. We took to the streets on Thursday.
The new generation of children are different.
For one school putting the behaviors about being your mother outside and all them things that is like so not appropriate for school.
They're kids. They look silly.
How do you think the school should treat with this?
School should suspend the children and deal with the parents.
When we contacted Principal Talbert Ware, he told our news center that a meeting was held with the parents and the children were suspended. Mr. Ware says counseling was also provided. The students were also instructed to make an apology to the school and the public using the same medium.
I was the girl who led the viral video, and I am very sorry for my inappropriate and unnecessary expletives, and it will not happen again.
It was very disrespectful, and I'm very, very sorry.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.